In this compound angles, 3 angles is there, A plus B plus C. Likewise, it has 3 components, means the formula for sin A plus B plus C. Last class I told you how to work that out. Can you recall that? Can you remember that? How this can be worked out? You see, this B plus C or A plus B, that we have to group it as 2. Group any 2 as 1 and we'll make it as A plus B form. Then we apply the formula, we get the formula. In that, the summation notation, using the summation notation, we summarize the formula that summation sin A cos B cos C minus sin A sin B sin C is the formula for them. And also I told you to work out what will come for cos A plus B plus C. What is formula for cos A plus B plus C? It is cos A cos B cos C minus summation sin A sin B cos C. Okay. I will tell you what you got. See, you may got this as one term, sin A sin B cos C as one term. Then sin B sin C cos A. You got there or not? Then after that sin C sin A cos B. Like you may get one term. That everything will be summarized into the summation notation. Instead of memorizing the big formula, we will summarize everything into the summation notation. The same way, we have tan A plus B plus C as well. Guess what? How we can work this out? Tan A plus B form, we can group any 2 as 1. So if you do so, you may get sigma tan A minus product of tan A divided by 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. Meaning what? The expanded version of this formula, let me write, you see, tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Why is it so? Sigma means you should replace this and add everything. The cycle, you remember? A, B, C. That like. So, A, B, C, I replaced everything and I added everything. That is the sigma notation. And this product notation means we should multiply everything. How we can multiply? Tan A next into tan B. Whatever you are writing next, that has to be multiplied. Instead of this addition, it has to be multiplied. That is what meant by this big pi. Some pi shaped symbol is there, no? That means product symbol. So tan C divided by 1 minus, this means what? Addition only, but the number should be keep on changed. This AB should be keep on changed as in the cycle. We have tan A tan B, I will open big bracket, tan A tan B plus, after A what will come? Tan B tan C plus, see, A done, after that B, after that tan C for this cycle and this one, we ended with the tan C, then tan A. Okay, this is the expanded version and this means that product. You want me to work this out, how this came? Simply you can recollect. Same way. Okay, now cot A plus B plus C. Oh, before getting into cot A plus B plus C, we have to analyze this formula. So, yes, you are asking something? You want that expanded form? Using this we can expand, right, whenever it is required. You see, this A plus B plus C could be anything. What if this A plus B plus C are angles of a triangle? Then we may have this A plus B plus C equals what? 180 degree pi. What is tan 180 degree value? No man. Simply sin pi by cos pi. What is the value of sin pi? I told you. Sin n pi if A plus B plus C is pi, that is 180 degree, sin n pi 0, so sin pi also 0, sin pi by cos pi will have. So 0 equals, here this can be transposed to the other side, that means this sigma tan A minus product of tan A. Okay, then when this happens, what does that mean? We can equate things. This sigma tan A will be equal to product of tan A. This is one result if A plus B plus C is pi. Suppose if A plus B plus C is pi by 2, that is 90 degree. What is tan 90 degree value here? Zero? Are you sure? Not defined. When a fraction will go undefined? If this goes undefined means, when it will happen? Only if the denominator is 0. So, as this is undefined, not defined, ND, tan 90 degree, it means that denominator is 0, which means 1 minus sigma tan A tan B equals 0, which means this sigma tan A tan B equals 1. That is another result. Okay. Now, followed by cot A plus B plus C. Same as tan A plus B plus C. Instead of tan, replace cot. That's all. So, summation over cot A minus product over cot A divided by 1 minus summation over cot A cot B. But here these two results may vary. How it will vary? If A plus B plus C is pi, which means 180 degree. A plus B plus C is 180 degree. Then cot 180 degree is what? It is undefined. When it will go undefined? Denominator is 0, which means this 1 minus sigma over cot A cot B is 0. Then this sigma over cot A cot B value is 1. This goes other side and we equate. Okay. This is the result. The same way, suppose if A plus B plus C is pi by 2, 90 degree, then what is cot 90 degree? This A plus B plus C as pi by 2 means? Zero. 0 means this denominator is equal to numerator. Is it? What man, you are shaking your head? Denominator is equals 0. Here 0 will come on the left hand side. Okay. So the numerator equals 0, which means the sigma cot A minus product over cot A will be equal to 0, then that will transpose the other, that will be transposed to the other side, then product over cot A. This is the result. Clear? You should not forget these two results. Also these formulas. This is the compound angles of three angles. Only these four formulas are there as of now. And all the sub results of this formula has to be kept in mind. What doubt you are having in this? Cot is very simple, man. You see, same as tan. Can you find any difference? Yes, man, it is different. Instead of tan, there is a cot. Except that one difference, nothing is different here. But the value will be different. How come? When tan pi is 0, cot pi is undefined. Undefined means denominator is 0. If the value becomes 0 means numerator is 0. Undefined na denominator 0, value equals 0 na numerator equals 0. Okay. Likewise here, tan pi by 2 is not defined, but cot pi by 2 is 0. As this is not defined, denominator is equal to 0. As that is equal to 0, numerator is equal to 0. That is all. Clear? This is about this compound angles. We are going to derive some compound angles in the next session. Sorry, next section. First write this down fully. Also keep that in mind. Don't forget. Make it fast.